Welcome to GCSE Design and Technology. The course is designed to be a creative course in which you make and design products. It also helps you to prepare for a world that is full of new technology, things developing all the time, and helps you to understand why some of those things have taken place and a little bit more about the social and environmental factors that designers have to consider when designing new products. It does require you to be creative and use your imagination. It also involves you making prototypes and testing those prototypes to see how well they work. The design course allows you to work in a wide range of materials, but it also allows you to specialize in a material that you are particularly interested in. So you could choose to work in polymers, which are types of plastics, textiles, timbers, metals, or paper and card. Or you might do as many students do, which is enjoy working in a range of those, whichever ones you feel will best solve the problem. The choice is up to you. The qualification does require you to work in multimedia in the sense that you will be asked to draw, you will be asked to work on CAD/CAM designs from time to time, and you'll be able to, if you wish, use the laser cutter and CAD/CAM equipment to produce some of your products. You will not necessarily have to make them all using hand tools. You need to be very willing to work on problem solving. You need to be prepared to work in groups sometimes and maybe individually, and you need to be able to want to meet deadlines and most of all enjoy actually making really good quality products. The GCSE is built up of two elements: an exam, which is worth 50% of the marks, and an NEA, a non-exam assessment, which is in the form of a design project and making of a prototype, which is also worth 50% of the marks for the whole assessment. The NEA assessment will take up the majority of the time in year 11. And most pupils really enjoy this section as it is set by the exam board, but is so wide that you may choose the project which you wish to solve. So you have the option of making something that is completely unique, that solves a problem you have thought about. You can work on designs to resolve that problem and then build a successful solution for yourself. The GCSE could lead directly into an A-level or could lead into technical awards. It could lead you into engineering or into fashion design. There are lots of vocational and practical apprenticeships that look for D&T as a GCSE. There's also lots of potential job future opportunities as listed, but most importantly, I think it shows future employers how willing you are to take on a problem and to come up with a successful solution, which is a great skill to have in the world of work. A few questions we're often asked is, do I have to work in all materials? No. The choice of materials you actually work in to create your prototypes is completely up to you, and we will help you to develop your skills in the material areas you wish. You can take GCSE D&T and GCSE Food Preparation and Nutrition if you wish to do a very practical bias in your option subjects. You do get to choose your NEA task. The exam board give 4 basic headings, of which within those you're able to choose a task that suits you, one that you've picked out, and then showcase your practical skills solving that problem. You will be given lots of help and guidance to make sure yours is appropriate, your choice of task, to get you your grade you need for GCSE. You will learn new skills, but you'll build them on the ones you've learnt in Key Stage 3. If you feel in Key Stage 3, due to maybe lockdown, that you haven't had all the opportunities in certain areas, we will work with you to develop the skills in the materials that you want so that you can show the more advanced skills that you would need to show for a good grade in your GCSE. There is theory work because half the GCSE is examined, but all the theory work does relate to practical activities and the application of your design and making skills. So you will find it easy to relate to and realise why it matters as you go through the GCSE. If you have other questions that you would like to know the answers to, then please feel free to talk to your GCSE D&T teacher of the future, myself, possibly Miss Bradshaw, and ask us the questions and let us show you some actual examples of people's work to see if we can help you to understand fully and make an informed choice about your GCSEs.